Hello everyone, today we are talking about something that I find it's very helpful. It will let you to save a lot of money and a lot of time. It is for Next.js users or any other language user. The glitch, it's something like glitch. It will let you to get a domain by something like cost $2 or $3. Then by using Vercel you can upload it by free, and for Next.js user it will help them too much, because if they buy in Hostinger they must buy FPS, and making FPS, it will waste you a lot of time. Now let's talk about the glitch. It's something like glitch. Now first, you can use one of the sites that I am showing right now. You can get a domain, not hosting. If you buy a hosting, it will not work and it will take a lot of dollars. So just buy a domain, like any domain you want from here. Like I want to buy good.site.online with just $2 or $1. Now after buying it, just go to home page. You will see something like this page, and later I will show you what we have to make to upload our Vercel Next.js app to here. Now after we make this and buy it, we have to go to Vercel dashboard, make a new project and select the GitHub repository, and then you have to see something like one of them right now in the page. Now I'll go randomly select someone like this. Then you have to go to domains, and here you have to add the domains you have buy. Like if I buy this domain, you have to copy it and paste it right here. Then you have to select the first options, then click add. You will see something like this with this alert. Now you will ask me what we should do right now. It's very easy to do it. You just have to make something go to our name server, enable the DNS, then you just have to copy these codes right now. After copying them, you have to go to page that I am showing at the first right here. Then go to name servers, and here I will paste the first one, and here paste the second one. Then because I do it before, it will not let me to save, but then you have to click save, and it will show you something like this. If you do the steps like I tell now, you have to see something like this. Let me show you. I'll go to project that I do before. You have to see something like this, well configuration, but this will take some time to reload. Thanks for watching. In the next lectures I will let you know how to make web analytic using Vercel, and see you later.